Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to send and receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create an account of Coinbase, and you need to do some of verification requirements. So I don't have a Coinbase account because this is a large process. I show you some photos of another application in another device, but this is the process. This is the way you can do that. So I pick here in the screenshot, and so when you go to your Coinbase app after you create your account, you need to go down in the right side of the blue button in the down part of the app. In the last option, in the right side, you need to pick here in Pay. In this button, say Paid. So you pick here. In this part, you need to pick in Receive. Here is a Spanish channel, but the button in the left side where said Recibir, here said Receive. So you pick here Receive, and after that, you need to copy your direction of your wallet, and you can send that direction to the person who sent to you the money, the Bitcoin. So this is the way to receive the Bitcoin, the money. But if you want send this Bitcoin, if you want send the Bitcoin, the only thing you need to do is pick in this option, in the option of enviar. This option is send. You pick here, the option is send. And after that, you need to pick how much Bitcoin, for example, you can send to you want send to this person. So this is the process. This is the way you can do that. You select how much you can send, and you pick in continue, and you send this money. So this is the process. This is the way you can send and receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.